Hey everyone, welcome back to ABC Hosting, your go-to channel for everything hosting and tech related. If you've ever dreamed of setting up your own video streaming server at home, whether to stream movies, share videos with friends, or even host your own content, you're in the right place. Today I'll guide you step by step on how to create a video streaming server from scratch, all in a simple and cost-effective way. So grab a coffee and let's dive in. First things first, what exactly is a video streaming server? Well, think of it as your personal Netflix or YouTube. It's a server that allows you to stream video content over your local network or even online, giving you full control over your content. Sounds exciting, right? Let me show you how you can set one up at home. To get started, you'll need a few basic things. A computer or server hardware, even an old PC can work. A reliable internet connection, the faster the better for smooth streaming. Video files that you want to stream. Software to set up the streaming server. And don't worry, I'll help you pick the right one. Now, let's talk software. There are plenty of free and paid options out there, but here are my top picks. Plex, perfect for beginners with a user-friendly interface. MB, a great alternative with more customization options. VLC Media Player, yes, VLC can act as a streaming server too. For this tutorial, let's use Plex because it's simple and powerful. Here's how you can install and set up Plex. Go to the Plex website and download the Plex Media Server software. Install it on your computer and create a Plex account. Add your video files to the Plex library by selecting the folders where your videos are stored. Configure your network settings to make your server accessible across devices. And just like that, you've got your own video streaming server ready to go. Once your server is up and running, you can access your content from any device, your smartphone, smart TV, or even a web browser. Just install the Plex app, log in, and enjoy seamless streaming wherever you are. Now, while setting up a home streaming server is fun and rewarding, it does have limitations. If you're looking for a more professional setup with higher bandwidth, global accessibility, and zero downtime, I've got the perfect recommendation for you, QloudHost. QloudHost is a leading provider of DMCA-ignored video streaming servers. They offer ultra-fast servers, unmatched uptime, and high performance for hosting and streaming your content globally. Plus, their affordable pricing and 24/7 support make them an ideal choice for anyone serious about video streaming. Whether it's movies, live events, or any other type of content, QloudHost ensures your audience gets a seamless experience. And there you have it. Whether you're setting up a home server or looking for a professional solution like QloudHost, creating a video streaming server has never been easier. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to ABC Hosting for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.